Yeah, my name is Mike, and I've been a foster carer since about 2009, 2010. It'd be understandable to be wary of it, but my experience is very, very positive. These are young people that need help and protection, and I see that as very important. Yeah. The biggest difference, I would say, is their family lives. But the refugees that I've seen, I would say by and large they've come from a stable, loving family, and then they've had their world torn apart as a teenager. So they don't present the same problems, although they've suffered a major trauma, and I'm only too glad to help. Yeah, I've got one young man who got married last year that was with me for 3 years. He's now living up in England, but he talks to me every week. But yeah, he treats me like a father figure, and there's others as well that still live in the local area. I see them regular, yeah. And like I said, it's broadened my understanding of different cultures and made me realise that how similar everybody is. We all want the same things, and I think it's great. And I know I'm making a difference. I know it.